When I talk about an advanced civilization, let's be clear, I think that all civilizations on this planet emerged ultimately out of shamanism. If we go back into the Stone Age, if we go back into what's called the Upper Paleolithic, we will find that the world was pretty much shamanistic at that time. Every culture, every tribe, every group would have had its shaman who was bringing healing and who was dealing, if you like, with the supernatural. That's what shamans still do today in the Amazon rainforest. So I think that all cultures emerged out of a shamanistic background. But what I'm suggesting is that during the Ice Age, there was one culture which went quite a bit further than other cultures from that same shamanistic background. It's a characteristic of shamanism, which a lot of people don't realize, is that true shamans are extremely scientific. If you go to the Amazon rainforest, you will discover that the shamans are constantly sampling plants. They're in an experimental, highly rigorous, rational way. They're sampling plants, they're adding mixtures to an existing brew, if that's the case. How else could they have created curare, for example? Curare is an Amazonian invention. Curare is still the basis of modern anesthesiology. It involves 11 different plants, none of which are effective on their own. You have to mix them all together. Same with ayahuasca. It involves 2 different plants, none of which are effective on their own, but mixed together, they become effective. And when you remember that there's more than 100,000 different species of plants and trees in the Amazon, then you are looking at a scientific project to find, locate, and create these things. And this is true of shamanism in general. So I think that there was one shamanistic culture back during the Ice Age, which went further